hear a beep?
No.
Do you want to raise your hand when you hear a beep?
No.
Go like this. Say
Let's try
beep.
another one.
Say beep.
Ready?
When you hear a beep, say beep.
Say beep.
No.
No. Come on, you can do it.
No.
You hear something, bud.
I don't hear something.
You don't hear something?
I think you're full of it. Say hear it. Wait or wait.
Make it sound like a snake if you hear it. If you hear something, say hiss. No?
You hear it?
No.
Mom
No.
hears it.
We all hear it.
Do you hear those sounds?
Is there definitely beep? Like I don't hear anything, but
I'm sure you don't.
Sounds like that.
It is. It's like a.
it is working? Okay.
We even have it on pulse, so it kind of goes
Hmm.
beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, you don't hear anything, bud.
Like a heartbeat? Does it
Kinda.
sound like a heartbeat?
Like I said, we have to try it.
Well, you flunked the eyes, Sam.
Okay.
What was
You
that?
can't see and you can't hear.
What was that noise?
You are in rough shape.
Let's just for fun try the other ear.
Do you hear anything?
No.
You're just messing with us. What, do you hear something?
I don't hear something.
Do you hear anything at all? No beeps?
No.
You don't hear a beep?
I don't hear a beep.
Okay.
Alright.
Let's do one more yet. Okay. Listen for this one.
Do you hear anything?
Oh, I heard it. I heard it just now. If I can hear it, you can hear it, bud.
Yeah, these are the really high ones.
What's it sound like?
No.
No. Does it hurt in your ears?
Yeah.
That means you can hear it. If it's hurting your ears, that means you can hear it, bud.
Okay.